Hey, which of these groups get the correct answer to this equation? Group A, 10 minus 2 will give us 8 times 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. 2 times 8 equal to 16. Group B, 8 divided by 4 will give us 2 times this 2 minus, then bring down the 10. 2 times 2 will give us 4. We now have 10 here minus 4 equal to 6. Let's check which of them got the answer. Using PEMDAS, P here stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Now, in this group A, we can see that they begin with this, so their answer is wrong. For group B, they begin with parentheses. That is correct. After that, they solve the multiplication. That is correct. And finally, they solve the subtraction. Correct answer. The correct answer to this equation is 6.